Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's a quick review video about CRAFTSMAN combo set. The part number is CMCK200C2, and if you're looking for a power tool set for a home, not professional use but occasional, this is probably really great buy. What you're getting over here is two tools, drill and impact, and it comes with two batteries, with charger and a bag. Right now they are on sale in Lowe's for until July. The regular price for this cool thing is $150. And right now they are for $99. That's what it looks like over here. This is 20-volt batteries, and they have this indicator. They come almost not really charged, only 1 bar over here, but that's the cool thing. So drill, really nice, obviously with everything you need. 2 speeds, different torque power over here, forward, reverse. This is look like a 1/2 inch chuck, so pretty much, yeah, right here 1/16 to 1/2 inch, so pretty much any drill bit will get in there. So this is really great buy for release over here. This is the charger. So that's what it looks like. There is one funny part though. They do sell it with a bag, but it took me a minute to figure out how to lay it in here, because if you look inside, it has just enough room. So if you, let's say, lay it in here, by the way, with the batteries connected, it's not gonna fit. So you can try, but this is pretty much a tool set and a puzzle at once. So if you lay it like this, even just like that, well, it does lay out over here, but I think the better option actually across. If you lay one like this and one across, actually much tighter. So if you lay it like this, you stick your batteries over here, your charger, and this way you still have quite a bit of room for drill bits and stuff like this. Anyway, if you're interested, CRAFTSMAN, this tool set, 2 power tools for $99. I mean, I think this is a great buy, but then again, if you're using it professionally, I wouldn't buy something like this. Spend a little more and buy DeWalt and stuff like that. But if this is for the home projects, occasional drilling and put a screw, or maybe when you buy a bed every 5-10 years and you want to put it back together quicker, or hanging picture, you need to drill a hole in the drywall, this is the tool to buy. $100, I don't think you can beat that. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep you updated how this tool set will survive. But then again, I'm not planning to use it every day or even every week. This is going to be like occasional projects. So anyway, I think the reason I bought it, I checked the reviews and they are pretty high. So good reviews, really nice price, extra tool set, bag. I love it. Anyway, thank you for watching.